Keeping your powder dry, a wise strategy through words. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression: keep the powder dry. This phrase isn't just about gunpowder or history. It's a powerful metaphor used in modern English to convey caution and preparedness. Let's explore its origins, meaning, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. This phrase dates back to the 17th century, attributed to Oliver Cromwell during the English Civil War. He reportedly told his troops to trust in God and keep your powder dry, emphasizing the importance of being ready for battle at any moment. The powder refers to the gunpowder used in their muskets, which needed to be kept dry to ignite properly. Today, it serves as a metaphor for being prepared for any situation. Keep your powder dry is a metaphor that extends beyond its military origins to signify readiness and caution in various aspects of life. It suggests that while one should have faith or optimism, practical preparedness is equally important. It's about having the resources and readiness to act when the opportunity or need arises, ensuring you're not caught off guard. In everyday conversation, you might use this phrase to advise someone to stay prepared or proceed with caution. For example, in a business context, we're not sure how the market will react to the new product, so let's keep our powder dry before we invest more. In personal advice, I know you're eager to buy a house now, but with the uncertain economy, it might be wise to keep your powder dry. While keep your powder dry is unique in its historical roots, other expressions convey similar meanings. Phrases like stay on your toes, be ready for anything, and plan for the worst all emphasize preparedness and caution. Each of these can be used interchangeably depending on the context, though keep your powder dry often adds a touch of wisdom or gravitas to the advice. Keep your powder dry is more than just an old saying. It's a timeless piece of advice that reminds us to balance optimism with caution and preparedness. Whether you're facing a challenging situation or embarking on a new venture, remembering to keep your powder dry can help you navigate the uncertainties of life. We hope this exploration has been enlightening, and we encourage you to use this phrase to inspire readiness and wisdom in your daily conversations. Stay prepared, and see you in our next video.